Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the left transmission mount or the left engine mount on Volkswagen Passat 6. The transmission mount is located just underneath this air filter housing and battery housing, so in order to get to it, first we're going to remove the air filter housing and the battery housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the air filter housing and the battery housing are removed, we have access to the transmission mount, but before removing the transmission mount we're going to put this engine jack on top of the car so that it holds the engine while we remove the transmission mount. It can also be done with the jack underneath the car. You just put the jack onto the transmission and it will hold it there, but this is the way I'm doing it. Once this jack is holding the engine, we can start removing the transmission mount. There is some plastic on top of the transmission mount which is holding all the wiring harness. So before getting to the transmission mount, the bolts of the transmission mount, we need to remove this plastic panel. After removing it, we have access to the bolts. That's the plastic out. Now we have access to all the bolts for the transmission mount. We can see there is 2, 4, 6 bolts holding the transmission mount that we need to remove. And now we're going to start removing the bolts. Once all the bolts are removed, we can take out the transmission mount. That's what it looks like. I'll give you a closer view of the part number for this mount. That's it right there. And now we're going to replace it again. Putting it on is the exact reverse way. We put on the engine mount and put the 6 bolts on. You might want to get a pry bar to be able to put in all the bolts in their positions. With the pry bar, you're going to be able to pull the transmission a little bit to the rear, to the front, wherever it needs to go, and the bolts will go in eventually. It's better to put first the 2 bolts holding the engine mount to the transmission, and then afterwards put the 4 bolts that are on the engine mount on the car chassis. After all the bolts are on, we can tighten the bolts and then assemble everything else in the reverse order. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.